morning, American government. I'm here to remind you that your presidential leadership paper is due Thursday by 3 p.m. Choose any president you like. Take a moment in his presidency. Assess his leadership style, his skills. Offer some positive comments. That's what you need to do. Why you wouldn't want to choose me, I don't know. I'm perfect. But nevertheless, the choice is yours. Presidential paper, it's due Thursday at 3 p.m. If you have any questions or comments, please contact your coach. He's available 8 to 11 every day to help you. So do your best work, and we'll talk to you soon.